Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a Porsche Cayenne generation 2002 to 2010, we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the circulation coolant pump relay. Now that little bitty electric coolant pump, guys, that is the one that uses the residual heat, okay, to keep your cabin warm while you're shopping or something, or when you turn your car off sometimes that pump will turn on, so it can keep the coolant circulating so your engine doesn't overheat on hot days. Now we'll show you guys where to find the fuse, also known as fuse for the relay, the activation one. So, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car, taking the whole thing apart. So please guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos. Also, more videos can be found on our main channels right there, mechanical videos on that Porsche Cayenne, guys. Now, what do we need to do? Okay, your fuse boxes are located, you have two fuse boxes, okay? You have one right here behind this cover, and you have one on the other side. Now, we'll need to locate this fuse box right here. So what needs to be done now, guys? Plastic panel removal tool, all the tools and parts that we use, you can find them listed in the description of the video below. Stick it in here, okay, pull out, like that. You have 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips all together. Looking at the fuses this way, okay, I'm trying to focus in here. You can see the numbers, guys, okay, 1, 2, 3, it's really hard to read. But the fuse that we need to check, guys, it's a 5 amp fuse. That's the fuse for the relay. Okay, and it's this fuse right here. Okay, fuse number 2. This is the fuse that we need to check. So we'll grab a new fuse now, replace it. Okay, you can see on the second slot, make sure it goes in good. Okay, before you press it in. So 1, 2. So this is, guys, the fuse. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.